Hello, dear little friends. Today we are at the zoo, where all the happy animals want to say hello to you. They will introduce themselves in their own fun way. Are you ready to join them and learn all about them? Hello, children. My name is Monkey, and I'm a primate just like you. You may have seen me swinging from tree to tree in the jungle or at the zoo. I have a long tail that I use to help me balance and grab onto branches. I am a very social animal and live in groups called troops. Within my troop, we have a hierarchy with a leader and helpers. I am known for being curious and playful, and I love to explore my environment. I'm also a skilled problem solver and use tools to help me find food and protect myself. In the wild, I eat a variety of foods such as fruit, insects, and small animals. I am found in many different parts of the world, from tropical rainforests to grasslands. It's nice to meet all of you, and I hope you learned something new about me today. In the upcoming videos, you'll have the chance to meet more of the fascinating animals from the zoo. Until then, take care and goodbye.